Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Then click on Vibrate at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also click on Sound on the left and tap on this sweater next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. When you finish, scroll down, click on Call Vibration, and apply the best vibration pattern for your incoming calls. You can also click on Silent to disable them completely and adjust intensity of call vibration by operating this slider at the top. Wherever you decided, when you're done, go back, click on the notification vibration and do exactly the same but for your notifications. Then click on System Vibration, adjust intensity of system vibration options thanks to this slider, and tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Last but not least, go back, click on Vibration Intensity, and adjust intensity for incoming calls, notifications, system, and media, thanks to all of those sliders. You can even click on this sweater next to Vibration Sound for incoming calls to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!